The Akiles FlexiCloser electric wire closer is an innovative tabletop machine with smart detect wire sensing that will automatically close all sizes of wire row with just the press of a button. The smart detect sensor built into the machine automatically senses the wire diameter, and when you press start, will lower the closing bar to create a perfectly round finished wire. The FlexiCloser will work with the full range of wire row sizes from 3/16 to 1.5 inch in both 3:1 and 2:1 pitch configurations. Simple to use, just set the pitch of either 3:1 or 2:1 and set the closing bar into either low or high position. The closing bar position allows the user to speed up the production by reducing the travel time of the bar when working with smaller wires. The low setting is referred to as high efficiency mode. With high efficiency mode, you can bind 30% faster than with normal mode. A built-in wire hanger on the front of the unit lets you conveniently place pages onto your wire to prepare it for binding. Once hung, just place the wire between the closing bars. A magnetic backing will hold the wire in place so there is no hassling with the wires falling out of the book. A safety sensor on the closing bar will stop the bar if anything larger than the book block is placed into the field. Micro adjustments on the closing panel allow you to fine-tune the close to your specific needs. These adjustments can be memorized for each wire size, which means the machine improves itself to your specific needs as you work with it. For an easy-to-use, automated tabletop wire binding solution, the Akiles FlexiCloser is a great choice for perfect wire closing quickly and with no hassle every time. For more information or to buy the FlexiCloser, visit Binding101.com or call the number on your screen.